Listen, I got it. Mommy, Daddy,
You want a basketball hoop?
I'm back.
Where are you going?
I'm going to shoot.
You're gonna find a basketball hoop. You're not supposed to go on the road. Uh-oh. You gonna go make new friends? Don't go on that road. Uh-oh. Balls bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Uh-oh. Don't go on that road.
Daddy.
You say please?
Please. Bye-bye. Here you show you. Here.
Owen, what's on your socks?
Socks.
Yeah, what's on them?
And
What is it?
bye-bye. Wait. Bye-bye.